everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to do an unboxing of my recent purchase from Loewe. So, yeah, if you want to see that, go ahead and keep watching. So I had a friend pick this up for me while she was in Hawaii because I wanted to take advantage of their discount that they had. And she was telling me about a recent price increase, and I wanted to get this for myself for my birthday later on this year. But, you know, I might as well save money and purchase it now if I have the money for it. So that's what I did, and I have never got anything from Loewe before, so this is the first item that I've ever bought from them, and I'm really loving their stuff right now. Like, I'm pretty sure like everyone is loving, but I've had my eye on this for a while, but I never actually bought it because other things have gotten in, or I wanted to, I don't know, I think I got distracted by other things, but I am really excited to add this to my collection and start using it. So I wanted to open it today, and this packaging, it is beautiful. Like the bag is like absolutely beautiful. I've never bought anything from them before, but look at this bag. It's so pretty. I just want to keep like this bag. I don't know what for, but yeah, it's just super pretty. And I wanted to appreciate that. And I love all the colors, and yeah, it's just fun to see. And I guess this is an unbagging because it's not actually in a box. I don't know if they don't give it in a box or because my friend was like on vacation, she didn't want to carry the box, but really nice of her to give me to bring back the bag. It has this ribbon on it, and it says Loewe. Am I saying that right? Loewe? I don't know. I just kind of copy how other people say it. But yep, it came. Here is the bag. And it came in, oh, the dust bag is in a bag. Okay. And here is the dust bag. Ooh, it's like a pretty nice material, and it has this little the Loewe anagram logo, which I really love because my first name starts with an L. But yeah, let's see. The dust bag is really nice, and this is what I got. You can kind of see it is the small puzzle bag in the color sand, which is super pretty. It's like a taupey beige color. I guess it's more of a taupe color it's like a really pretty color, and it's like a nice, I think it would match really well with warm and cool tones. So, and that is why I chose the color. I really like the avocado green color, but they didn't have it. And I couldn't tell what it looked like in pictures because sometimes colors can look different in pictures, and I actually seen this in person at the store. So I went with the color sand, which is really pretty. I think it'll go really good with like everything in my wardrobe. I have another bag that's this color, and I always, what is it? I have the Celine belt bag in this color, and it's like a much bigger size, and it's a shoulder bag. And I think that, and I know that bag I use all the time for work, and I really love that color. So I wanted to get another bag in that color. So I went with that, and this is in sand, and it has gold hardware. This is actually my first time seeing it. Oh, it's so cute. It's like very roomy, like, and then it has a zipper in the back with the gold hardware. It's like the canvas material. I'm sorry, I'm like looking it over because it's the first time I've seen it. Oh, cute. It has the little logo there. That is really nice. Oh, and it says like Loewe. It's like engraved there. And this is interesting. I never noticed how the hardware is kind of curved in an interesting way. But yeah, I have really admired this bag for a long time, and I've wanted it. I just couldn't decide on a color, but I really am loving this sand color, and it has the logo right here that's stamped in. And ooh, very nice zipper. And it has the logo also right there. And here is this, oh, excuse me. Here's the strap that it comes with. I actually tried this on at the Neiman Marcus close to me, and they had it in black. So I was trying it on to see if it could be crossbody, because so the reason I bought this is because I want a crossbody bag that I can use at work. And at work, I want to be a little more low key. Like, I am all for logos and having fun with my wardrobe and my bags, but at work I want to be a little subtle, just because I think it's a little more professional. But yeah, I think that this is like the perfect bag for work when I don't want to carry too much stuff, just because I think that sometimes when I know that I'm going to do something after work, I want to carry a cute bag, and this is perfect for that. Yeah, and I plan to carry it on the handle. Oh, like I was saying with the strap, I like how you can carry this on the shoulder, and it's a good length for crossbody still. So it doesn't look too short. It's crossbody. Oh, these are pretty big and weighty. They're nice, and they have the engraving right there. And it's just kind of this kind of thing. And then here is the adjustments. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's basically two straps connected, and then it has 2 loops and this gold part. And then on the back of it, it has the logo right there too. So let's put this on. I am so excited to use this. Ooh, okay, so I haven't decided. Actually, I think I want to put it on the back. So let me put it back here. Ooh, cute. Oh, it's very cute. I know I'm going to use this a lot. I like how I wanted a crossbody that is like less structured and a little carefree. So I think that this is the perfect bag for that, because I love how people carry it, and it has like that little slouch to it. I love that. And right now with my work bags, like those are the bags that I don't want to fuss about. And I'm excited to add this to the rotation. All right, let's look inside. Inside we have a little logo that says Loewe, made in Spain. And then it has like this really pretty herringbone, I don't know if this is cotton or linen material. And then here is the inside. It's pretty spacious, and it's like this light color. And then there's a pocket here. And then what is this? This is a care booklet, I guess. I never actually look at these things. Yeah, I guess it's a reference. Oh yeah, okay, so it's linen. Oh no, it's cotton. It's a mixture of cotton and linen, and then the outside is calfskin. Okay. And yeah, very easy. I am so excited to use this, and I'm excited for it to get that slouch that it has. Yeah, this is perfect because I've been wanting a low-key crossbody bag that I could take to work, that is spacious to carry everything I need, but small enough where I can use it for after work if I want to have dinner or something with friends. And I can use it on the weekends too when I want a little extra room, because I noticed, or I want to add less structure bag to the mix here. So yeah, I'm really excited to carry this. I will use it and kind of probably film like a first impressions video. Yeah, and I know that the old ones had feet on the bottom, and this one doesn't, which I don't mind because I don't think that it needs feet, because it's like a slouchy structure. And yeah, I am super excited about this. I'll use it today. Yay! Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.